Welcome to this video. I'm going to solve another exercise with you. Let's begin. Choose the correct answer. Iron is used in making. Yes, it's used in making bridges. What is the liquid volume measuring unit? Yes, it's liter. What revolve around some planets? Yes, you're correct. It's the moon. What have definite shapes and definite volumes? Correct, it's solids. Okay, explains what would happen in the following cases by completing these sentences. Take a moment and read them. Okay, so the first question is, boiling an amount of water. It decreases because it changes into... When boiling the water changes into a gas, which is called... Yes, water vapor. Keeping a bottle containing water in the freezer. The water changes into... Yes, it changes into ice. A stone is placed in a jar containing 30 cubic centimeter of water. Water level rises in the jar up to 50 cubic centimeter. Calculate the volume of the stone. So we have two volumes. We agreed when we have two volumes, we're going to use the rule that says V is equal to V2 minus V1, which is going to be 50 minus 30, which is equal to 20 cubic centimeter. Please don't forget to write the unit at the end and the rule at the beginning. Okay. Complete the following sentences by using these words. We have volume, condensation, nonmetals, and the stars. Let's begin. The change of matter from a gaseous state to a liquid by cooling is... Yes, condensation. What is glowing bodies in the space of different shapes? Yes, it's stars. What is the space occupied by matter? Yes, you're correct. Volume. A group of elements that are bad conductors of electricity are called, yes, nonmetals. Give reason for. Carbon is used in manufacturing positive poles of dry cells. Because it's the only nonmetal that is good conductor of electricity. You're correct. Number 2, the hours of day are not equal to the hours of night. Due to the rotation of the Earth around its own inclined axis. It's important to mention that the axis is inclined because it is the reason for the difference in the hours. Which of the following is a physical change and which is a chemical change? Burning a piece of paper. We agreed that any example of burning is correct. Chemical change. Condensing water vapor on a cold glass is... Yes, a physical change. Melting of ice cream is... Yes, a physical change. Cutting a piece of paper is... Correct, a physical change. Write the scientific term. The farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system is... You are correct, it's Neptune, the simplest form of matter that can't be decomposed into two substances or more. Yes, element. The change of matter from the solid state into the liquid state. Melting. A brittle brown layer that is formed on a piece of iron left in the wet air. It's rust. Substances that have definite shapes and definite volumes. Yes, you are correct. Excellent. It's solids. What is the phenomenon resulted from revolving of Earth around the Sun? Think about it. In the previous exercise, the question was about the rotation of Earth around the Sun, and the answer was the sequence of day and night. In this question, it's going to be... Yes, the sequence of the 4 seasons. Cross the odd word out. Earth, Mars, Venus, Moon. Earth is a planet. Mars is a planet. Venus is a planet. Moon is not a planet. Second question. Meter, centimeter, gram, kilometer. Meter is used for measuring length. Centimeter is also used for measuring length. Gram is used for measuring, yes, you're correct, mass, so it's the odd word. Iron, carbon, aluminium, copper. Iron is a metal. Carbon is a non-metal. Aluminium is a metal, and copper is a metal, so carbon is the odd word. Mention the name of the substance which is used in the following. Which substance did we use to make jewels? Yes, gold and silver. Making coins. You're correct, it's copper. Making bridges. Yes, it's iron. Making the positive pole of a battery. You're correct, it's carbon. Correct the underlined word in each of the following. Melting of wax is a chemical change. That is wrong. Melting of wax is a physical change. Condensation is the change of matter from the liquid state to the solid state. No. Freezing is the change of matter from liquid state to solid state, but condensation is the change of matter from, yes, from gaseous state to liquid state. Mercury is the most beautiful planet? No. Venus is the most beautiful planet. In the winter season, the length of day is longer than the length of night. That is completely wrong. In the summer season, the length of day is longer than the length of night. Study the following figure, then complete. The Earth revolves around the Sun in 365 quarter days. The Earth rotates around its own axis in 24 hours. The hours of the night is longer than the hours of the day in winter. You are correct. Excellent, and thank you for watching.